Scale your marketing without hiring. 3. Proven AI steps. Imagine doubling your marketing output without adding a single person to your team. This isn't hype. It's the new reality with AI. In this video, we'll break down how small businesses can use AI to transform their marketing, without extra hires, without chaos, and without breaking the bank. You'll walk away with 3 actionable steps and a bonus tip to put AI to work today. Start with a bottleneck audit. Identify where you're losing the most time. Is it content creation? Email follow-ups? Social scheduling? Once you know the pain point, you can apply the right tool. For example, use Jasper to draft blogs or Ocoya to automate social posts. Choose tools strategically. Don't grab every shiny AI tool. Pick 1 or 2 that address your biggest need. Jasper for copy, Tidio for chatbots, or SurferSEO for optimized blog posts. Remember, the goal is focus, not overload. Connect and automate workflows. Use platforms like Zapier to link your tools. Picture this. Tidio chatbot qualifies a lead. CRM tags the lead. Jasper sends a custom email. SurferSEO guides blog optimization. The result? A seamless marketing machine running without your constant oversight. Bonus tip: track performance weekly. Tools like Google Looker Studio can show you what's working, whether it's email open rates, lead conversions, or blog traffic, so you can refine and improve continuously. The old way of scaling was about adding people. The new way is about amplifying the team you already have. Start small. Automate one workflow, track your wins, and layer on more as you go. Ready to scale smart? The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today.